In this video, I will cover the icons found in the Operations Manager, backplotting the toolpath, and verifying the toolpath. Backplotting shows the path the tool takes to cut the part. Backplot can be found here in the Operations Manager. This lets you spot errors in the program before you machine the part. As you backplot the toolpaths, Mastercam will display the X, Y, and Z coordinates in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Before we cover the backplot, I will go over the icons found in the Operations Manager. Starting in the top row of icons, select all operations. This will pick all the operations you've created. Select all dirty operations will pick only the dirty operations. A dirty operation is an operation that has been modified and needs to be regenerated. Regenerate all selected operations regenerates all the operations that are selected. Regenerate all dirty operations regenerates the dirty operations or operations that have been modified. Here we can find the backplot. Verify selected operations simulates the selected operations against a solid model. Post selected operations runs the post processor and creates the NC program. High feed optimizes high feed rates for selected operations. Delete all operations, groups, and tools deletes all the machine groups, operations, and tools in the toolpath manager. Toggle locking on selected operations locks and unlocks the selected operations. Locking the operation prevents you from regenerating it. Toggle display on selected operations displays and hides selected operations in the graphics window. Toggle posting on selected operations enables and disables posting on selected operations. Here we have options to move the insert arrow up or down after the selected group, or you can scroll to where the arrow is in the list. Only display selected toolpath displays the toolpath in the graphic window for only the selected operations you choose. Only display associative geometry displays all the geometry associated with the selected operations. Now select backplot. In the floating dialog box, we can see different view options. We can display the tool, display the holder, and display the rapid moves if we wish. Display with color codes shows the toolpath moves using color codes. Display endpoints shows the entities endpoints in the toolpath. This allows you to see how many tool moves occur between endpoints. Quick Verify displays a shaded path, the width of the tool as the backplot progresses. Here we have an options button to define more options in the backplot. Here we have some play options. We can play the toolpath to watch it start cutting. This is based on the run speed that we select here. We can slow it down or we can speed it up. We can stop that. We can step forward or backwards in the toolpath, return to the beginning of the toolpath, or proceed to the end. We can also move the slider bar here to watch the progress of the toolpath. In the backplot window, there's a drop-down menu located here. This will give us the details of the toolpath, what type of move it is, what the coordinates are, and the feed rate and the cutter compensation. The Info tab will allow us to establish a cycle time based on a feed amount and a rapid rate amount, and a total time between the two added up. A part length, feeding and rapiding, minimum and maximum XYZ extents, and minimum and maximum feed rates. Now select Verify from the Operations Manager. At the top of the dialog box, we have VCR options to play or stop the Verify. The speed of the Verify is based on the run speed down here. Rewind the Verify and press play to watch the Verify at a slower speed. Below this, we have three different icons. Turbo displays no tool and renders the verification in steps. Tool shows a tool, and tool and holder will display the tool and the holder during the Verify. Moves per step sets the number of tool moves performed each time you choose the step button. Moves per refresh sets the number of tool moves performed before the screen refreshes. Speed to quality sets the relationship between verification speed and image quality. The stop options determine what will warrant a stop. Verbose displays additional details about the current machine state as you step through each move. Options shows you the options included in Verify. Stock selection allows you to pick a section of stock. There's also a measuring tool, and we can save it as an STL file. Below we can see the operation number, the type of toolpath, the tool number, the tool size, and a progression as to how far we've verified. Select the OK button once complete.